I once made a bunch of these collet holders. That's not the only one. They are C45 quenched and tempered. Before they were rough cut, and after tempering they were finish cut, including the thread and the cone. And they are intended to go into the multi-fix holder, but they work in a jack the same way in any jack, and that's the nice part of it. Okay, this is gonna be a shitty shot, but I can't change it. It's the way it is. So first thing is clamp the part and feed the tailstock in and so this was the thread. Now for the whatever yeah, you know, we'll see. The jerky movement of the chuck was the spindle orientation. I use it as a brake. You see, I can move it, but it will return to the position. Retract the tailstock. Open the collet. Remove the part. Next part in. And the tool for cutting the groove, that's the word, stays in place, so I reverse the machining sequence to save tool changes. And here are a few of those parts. Cut the thread and the groove. The tool for cutting the groove is a carbide. No, where is it? Here it is. Carbide. I once did grind for this job. And the usual suspect, full profile 1.25 millimeter metric thread in Sandvik insert in a Sandvik tool holder. Every once in a while I verify the thread, or I check it for proper dimension, and it screws in. That's okay. I'm at the upper limit because the threads where this adjustment screw is being screwed in are quite worn out. Here's another option. This is with 3-wire measurement, but it's a bit, annoying. But the nice thing about it is you get all the dimensions and values and whatnot with the Machinist Calc Pro. It's quite good, and even for wire measurement, the best fitting wires for this job and so on. And quite good, quite handy. And yeah, this is how such a set looks like. Really cheap. Don't worry. Complete set. Nice buy. And now for the part with the least work. Here I've got for pre-drilling 3mm solid carbide drill, so it doesn't, the center doesn't wander away. This drill is a crappy self-ground 6.5mm drill, or mill with a flat surface, with a flat top or bottom. Don't worry, this is not smearing, this is from grinding. The coating is ground off, obviously. And here's for the long job, 2.5mm drill. This takes the longest time because, quite some pack drilling. So let's start with the big splash, not slash. The gross coolant is my invention, so you can't use that. And for the final step, that is making a groove here alongside, I'll show you the finished product. We go to the mill. I milled these soft jaws, reused for previous work, doesn't matter. And we will be using this high-speed spindle here because, well, 3000 RPM isn't too much. And here, I can go to, I think, 30,000? I don't know. And that's how it looks, and that's how it looks like now. Well, need some deburring. I think I'm gonna chase it with a nut, and that's it. Well, just a few more to go.